Hello guys, welcome back. I am back with the another video. In this video I will teach you about how to get Dream League kit of your favorite club, its logo and many more. I will open Dream League at first. Here is my Dream League. Here you can see that I have unlimited coins. I have hacked this Dream League 2018. If you haven't then please if you haven't, then you should probably check it out. It's very cool. You have only unlimited coins. You can buy any players of your choice. I have another tutorial video on how to hack it, so you can go check it out from there. Now let's go to change the kit for our players. Customize team. Here is my edit kit. Here is my home kit. I can download it and I will minimize it and open my Chrome browser. Yes, this is it. I have already opened the website. I will mention its link below the video. You can easily get it from there. Here is the kit you will have. Now I will copy its URL. It's a home kit. We need a home kit, so I'm copying its URL. Copy, and we'll go to the Dream League and I will paste it in here and confirm it, and it is already downloaded. So here guys, we get the home kit of Barcelona. And how do we get the logo? Again, we'll download it, go back here, and we will search the Barcelona logo. Here is the Barcelona logo. We will copy it out. What the heck? We will copy it out. Yes, I will copy it and again minimize it here and paste it in here and done. Here is my link. Yes, my logo is also downloaded. Yes, downloaded, done. Confirm. Okay, I have downloaded twice, but you do it only once. Warning pending yours, so I forgot to save, so I'm saving it. And here I can get the kit and logo. Similarly, do the same thing for our kit and thought kit. Here are the URL of our kit, thought kit, any kit you would like to. So guys, this was it. I think it probably helped. If not, then give a comment what problem you faced. I will definitely answer it. So guys, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.